guys, and welcome back. Today I am playing with BTArtBox new French tip gel nails, and I also got some goodies that I think you guys are totally gonna love. So what do you say? Let's get started. Okay, so BTArtBox sent me their new French tip nails. They sent me their square shape and their coffin shape, and this is in the pink color. I believe they have like 3 different shades that you can choose from as far as like the base color goes. Then they also sent me their protective top coat, and they sent me a little UV nail lamp. I have a ton of these, but you guys know that I have been using my donut lamp lately, so I don't know if I'm gonna hook this up, but I just want to show you what it looks like. She's cute, and it's got a lot more lights in it, I gotta say. That's pretty impressive. Most of these things only have 3 lights in here, so this is probably a really strong little desk lamp. Pretty impressive. And then on top of that, they gave me their solid gel nail, and I believe this comes in a tube, kind of like the Macart one that I like, so I have a feeling, ooh, this is big. I'm curious, I want to see in comparison to this one, how big it is with my Macart one. It's got to be like twice the size, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is a half fluid ounce, and this is 1 fluid ounce that you get. And I'll let you know the prices and everything in a sec. But I'm super excited to kind of jump in here and start putting these nails on. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is a top coat and then a reinforcing coat. I'm not really sure what that means, but I think it's basically just to keep the design like secured on the nail, even though it is in, there is a base coat on top and like, it's already done with gel. I still think it's just to kind of protect that color and design that's on there. And also, in case you were wondering, I have this beautiful little ring that I got, and I am so excited to share with you the company Luisa. They sent me some of their gifts. They sent me some gifts, if you will. One of which is this beautiful pave ring, and it is so pretty. It's rhodium coated over brass, so it gives it that silver finish, but being less expensive, but also gives you that nice quality. Their designs are like super affordable. I think they start at like $39.99. All of their products have like a 2-year warranty, so if anything happens, like they guarantee that it's not going to rust or leave your fingers green. But all of their products are carbon neutral and climate neutral, and that means that they are reducing their carbon footprint. As you can see, the packaging is like a cloth packaging. There's not a lot of plastic that they're sending their products in, which is one of the reasons why I fell in love with this company. Even in the box, it says, "You look great, but you also love the planet. Don't sweat it. We offset it. Your order is carbon and water neutral. Go you." I just think that's absolutely amazing. It's one of the reasons why I wanted to work with this company. So starting off, I got this ring. I got this in a size 9. I have like big fingers, okay? I also like my jewelry to fit a little loose. I don't like it to be super tight around my fingers. So that one came in this little orange bag. I think these are so cute because you could totally reuse these little bags. And then the next thing I got was the pave earrings in gold, and these are more of like a cuff style. So these ones, what they do is they give like a double pierced or double earring effect. You kind of twist it into your earlobe. When it's sitting, it looks like you have 2 hoops in your ears. And the thing is that these are not going to cause an allergic reaction as well because of the materials that they use. And I am highly allergic to certain metals, so I'm so glad that I'm able to wear all of this stuff. So I have to say, like, on their website, it's so cute because not only do they have like more classic pieces like what I've chosen, but they've also got some like really funky pieces that just totally elevates anyone's style, in my opinion. So I really hope that you guys will go ahead and check them out. I will put my link down below, and you can save 20% by using my code LuxNails by Jen 20, and you can save 20% off their website right now and get yourselves some gorgeous jewelry. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna try the coffin nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, and you guys can save 10% off using my link, so I'll have that down in the description box for you guys. And I believe they told me there was another code going on right now for 15%. I am checking with them to see if I can get that one as well. So that's specific to the tips. So I'm trying to get that one for you guys right now. So if I don't have it by the end of the video, you can always go ahead and use my specific code that is like a commission for me. So I make a little bit of money if you use that one, and you can save 10% off using that one. So anywho, you get, it says 150, 300 pieces, 15 sizes. I don't know why it's written like that's so hard to understand, but you get 15 sizes and 300 pieces. I don't know why that's so confusing. I don't know why it's written like that. On the back of the box, there are instructions for using their 4-in-1 nail glue, and that is not one that needs to be cured, but we're going to be using this one today with these because hello, we want them to last, honey. I do want to show you the square ones as well, just so you can get like a feel for that. I don't know why I took this whole thing out. I don't need to do that, but I don't know why I did that. I'm just going to take one row out and then we'll work off of that one. And then I'll set this aside. And then I want to show you guys the square ones, just so you can kind of get a feel for them. I will say, it looks like I want to like see what the size is over here, but so it looks like it goes from 0 to 14. I don't know why I had to look at that. Obviously, that makes sense. I just want to take these guys out so you can kind of see what they all the sizes look like. This one definitely looks like the thumbs are a little bigger. So if you are one of those people that is looking for a bigger thumb, that's definitely pretty big on this one. Like it covers like almost like my whole thumb area. So if you have a little bit bigger, I would say I would probably end up using a 2 in the square. So that's just reference. And they've got some really small like pinky nails down here. It definitely goes like to a smaller size. The square definitely looks like it could accommodate a few different sizes for people, and they're really nicely shaped. I like this pink color. They also have like a tan and then a brown, I believe, for, you know, darker skin tones. The pink is perfect for me because I'm super pale. And again, I just want to show you the size on this one. This is pretty big. I mean, in my opinion, for a 0. I think the square is a little bit bigger, but you could always shape that down if you wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick out my sizes, and then we'll be back to apply. I'm so excited. I really am. I have seen other people use these, and they are so freaking cute. Okay, I'm going to start applying. So let's open this baby up. And it's already open, so I don't have to like cut the tip off or anything. And I just heard back from them. Speak of the devil. No, I'm just kidding. Not at all. They're amazing at BTArtBox. I just heard back from them, and you can use code GEN15. Excuse me. You can use code GEN15 on their website for any product to save 15%. Alrighty, so I have put dehydrator, primer, and a coat of nail gel on my nails. As you can see, they're kind of shiny. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply this into the well of the nail. I'm gonna try not to put too much because this stuff does have a tendency to like squirt out the edges, but just enough so that it stays in place. And then I'm gonna set it over here and apply this to my pinky. I like to turn my little lamp on first before I do that. And then I go ahead and press it down, evening out the gel underneath the nail, making sure I don't have any air bubbles. Alrighty. Oh, they're so pretty. Now, I don't think I'm going to use this stuff tonight, and the reason is because I found out on their website that the reason why these are matte is so that you can add your own design to them as you wish. So, and then you go in with your reinforcing coat and your top coat to keep everything protected and long lasting. So in my next video, I'm going to be trying out some gel polishes. So that's what I'm going to use that stuff. All right, I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of these and come back and show you what they look like. BTArtBox, come on and take a bow. Go on with your bad self. These nails, oh, they are gorgeous. Gorgeous. They feel so comfortable. They are so beautiful. The pink, thank you for picking that out for me because it goes absolutely stunning with my complexion. They make my fingers look long and slender. There's just something about a French nail that I will never give up. It is so beautiful. You guys have got to go out and buy these today. They are $24.99 on their website right now, and you can save 15% using code GEN15. I will have the link that's in the description box along with my code that you can use. Again, I want to thank Anna Luisa. Let me just pull their pieces out so you can take a look at them one more time. Thank you so much. It was so sweet of you to reach out to me. And I really encourage you guys to go check out their website as well, because not only do I think that their pieces are stunning, but I also think that their mission statement is stunning as well. You know, they don't just care about making money, but they also care about the earth. And I think that is an important trait when I'm looking for a company to work with. So both of these ladies, they are winning, okay? Both of these companies, they are doing the damn thing, and you guys should definitely go check them out. Again, I will have the link and my coupon code and everything down in the description box for both of these companies. Thank you guys so much for working with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.